Hello everyone, I am Ritika. Welcome to class 10, chapter 3rd, pair of linear equations in two variables, and this is first part of the chapter. As in online class, I introduced this chapter. I also discuss with you the general form of pair of linear equations in two variables, and also discuss about the graphical solution of these equations. Now once again let us start with general form of the equations. The general form of these equation is a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equals to 0. This is for first equation. A1 means coefficient of x, b1 is coefficient of y, c1 means the constant term. Similarly, for the second equation, a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equals to 0, where a, b, c are real numbers. Now we are at 3.2 exercise, and first question is forming the equations algebraically and solve them by graphically. Second question is on comparing the ratios a1 upon a2, b1 upon b2 and c1 upon c2, find out whether the lines representing the following pair of linear equation intersect at a point are parallel or coincident. हाँ, आपको इक्वेशंस गिवन है, आपको ये रेशियोज फाइंड आउट करनी है और हमें ये फाइंड आउट करना है कि वेदर द लाइंस हैव इंटरसेक्टिंग एट ए पॉइंट और पैरेलल और कोइंसिडेंट, और कितनी उनके सॉल्यूशंस हैं. देन फॉर दिस, इफ़ a1 अपॉन a2 इज़ नॉट इक्वल्स टू b1 अपॉन b2, a1 और a2 की रेशियो इज़ नॉट इक्वल टू b1 अपॉन b2 हो, देन इंटरसेक्टिंग लाइंस होंगी, intersecting lines and one solution, or we can say unique solution. Second part, if a1 upon a2 is equals to b1 upon b2 and is also equal to c1 upon c2, then coincident lines and infinitely many solutions. So many solutions are there. And third part is, if a1 upon a2 is equals to b1 upon b2 but not equals to c1 upon c2, then graph is parallel lines and no solutions. Once again, if two equations are given, then you have to find their ratios a1 upon a2, b1 upon b2 and c1 upon c2. If a1 upon a2 is not equals to b1 upon b2, then graph is intersecting lines and there is only one solution, unique solution. If all the three ratios are equal, means a1 upon a2 is equals to b1 upon b2 and is equals to c1 upon c2, then coincident lines and infinitely many solutions are there. And if a1 upon a2 is equals to b1 upon b2 but the third ratio is not equal, that means c1 upon c2 is not equal, then lines are parallel and no solutions. Now let us take example question number 2, first part. Question is 5x minus 4y plus 8 is equals to 0. This is first equation. And 7x plus 6y minus 9 is equals to 0. This is second equation. Now we have to find a1 upon a2. a1 upon a2 means coefficients of x. This is 5 upon 7. b1 upon b2 is minus 4 upon 6. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. It means minus 2 by 3. Now here a1 upon a2 is not equal to b1 upon b2. We have no need to find c1 upon c2 because the first two ratios are unequal. a1 upon a2 is not equals to b1 upon b2. And if this condition is there, then it means intersecting lines and one solution. Means these equations have intersecting lines and one solution. Similarly, let us take another example. Another question number 2, third part is 6x minus 3y plus 10 is equals to 0, and 2x minus y plus 9 is equals to 0. Now here a1 upon a2 is 6 upon 2, it means 3. b1 upon b2 is minus 3 upon minus 1. Here coefficient of y is minus 1. This is equals to 3. Now a1 upon a2 is equals to b1 upon b2. It means we have to find c1 upon c2. c1 upon c2 is 10 upon 9. So we can write it as a1 upon a2 is equals to b1 upon b2 because both terms are 3 and 3, but not equals to c1 upon c2. It means like this: if a1 upon a2 is equals to b1 upon b2 but not equals to c1 upon c2, it means parallel lines are there and no solution. It means parallel lines and no solution. In second question, you have to solve only whether these equations have one solution, many solution, or no solution. So question number 2 is solved. Second part is for your homework. Now question number 3. Question number 3 is, on comparing a1 upon a2, b1 upon b2 and c1 upon c2, find out whether the following pair of linear equations are consistent or inconsistent. तो बेटा इसके लिए एक बात ध्यान से सुन लो. कंसिस्टेंट और इनकंसिस्टेंट के लिए you have to find ratios first, a1 upon a2, b1 upon b2 and c1 upon c2. आप फाइंड आउट करोगे if unique solution, if there is intersecting line, unique solution means for this consistent. a1 upon a2 is equals to b1 upon b2 is equals to c1 upon c2. For second part, consistent. And if a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 but not equal to c1 upon c2 and parallel lines no solution, it means inconsistent. Once again, a1 upon a2 is not equal to b1 upon b2. आपको ये याद रखना है, intersecting lines होंगी, one solution होगा and lines are consistent. Second part, if many solutions are there, then consistent. If no solution, parallel lines, then inconsistent. Inconsistent सिर्फ एक ही केस में है, when lines are parallel and having no solution. Question number 4. Which of the following pair of linear equations are consistent, inconsistent? If consistent, obtain the solution graphically. अब फोर्थ क्वेश्चन भी आपका सेम है कि आपको रेशो फाइंड आउट करनी है. रेशो में अगर वो कंसिस्टेंट आती हैं तो आपको ग्राफिकली सॉल्यूशन फाइंड आउट करना है, ग्राफ उनका ड्रॉ करना है. तो कंसिस्टेंट हमारी कब आएंगी? या तो हमारे पास इंटरसेक्टिंग लाइंस होंगी, मीन्स a1 अपॉन a2 इज़ नॉट इक्वल टू b1 अपॉन b2, तब आपको ग्राफ ड्रॉ करना है. या फिर आपके पास मैनी सॉल्यूशंस होंगे, मीन्स तीनों ही रेशोज इक्वल होंगी. a1 अपॉन a2 इज इक्वल टू b1 अपॉन b2 इज इक्वल्स टू c1 अपॉन c2. इट मीन्स यू कैन सॉल्व क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 एंड क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. Now question number 5 is, half the perimeter of a rectangular garden whose length is 4 meter more than its width is 36 meter. Find the dimension of the garden. Question number 5 is, half of the perimeter of a rectangular garden is 36. We know that perimeter of rectangular shape is 2 into L plus B. Now it is given that हाफ ऑफ पेरीमीटर मीन्स ओनली एल प्लस बी ही आएगा हमारे पास. हाफ है तो ये 2 कैंसिल होगा. हाफ ऑफ इज 36 मीन्स एल प्लस बी इज इक्वल्स टू 36. दिस इज आवर फर्स्ट इक्वेशन. फर्स्ट इक्वेशन क्यों? क्योंकि ये हमारे पास 2 वेरिएबल्स हैं, एक एल है एक बी है, एंड एल प्लस बी इज 36. नाउ अकॉर्डिंग टू क्वेश्चन, लेंथ इज 4 मीटर मोर देन इट्स विड्थ. लेंथ इज़ 4 मीटर मोर देन इट्स विड्थ। अगर हमें इनको इक्वल बनाना है मीन्स वी हैव टू ऐड 4 इन ब्रेड्थ। लेंथ इज़ 4 मीटर मोर देन इट्स विड्थ। It means L minus B is equals to 4 and this is your second equation. Now these two equations आपको इनको सॉल्व करना है, मिनिमम 3 वैल्यूज़ निकालनी है एंड सॉल्व करना है इसको ग्राफिकली. Now next क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 and 7 इज़ फॉर यू होमवर्क. अगर नहीं होंगे आपसे सॉल्व, अगर कोई प्रॉब्लम होगी देन यू कैन कॉल मी और मैसेज मी ऑन माई पर्सनल व्हाट्सएप नंबर. ओके, थैंक यू.